Japanese words that convey sounds or sensations.
Which of the two words better fits the action? こそこそ、オラオラ。
どっちも知らない。オラオラ。
Wrong! The right answer is こそこそ。こそこそ describes quiet and sneaky movements to avoid detection. Ora ora means to act in an arrogant and intimidating manner. カランコロン、フラフラ。
フラフラ。
Correct! The right answer is フラフラ。フラフラ describes being unsteady on one's feet. カランコロン is the sound of a bell or chime. ドカンドカン、ズキンズキン。
ズキンズキン。
Correct! The right answer is ズキンズキン。ズキンズキン describes a throbbing pain such as headache. ドカンドカン is used for loud, booming sounds like explosions. ジーン、ガーン。
ガーン。
Wrong! The right answer is ジーン。ジーン describes feeling moved. ガーン describes feeling shocked. ポロポロ。ニョロニョロ。
ポロポロ。
Correct!
Yeah.
The right answer is ポロポロ。ポロポロ expresses small things falling in drops like tears. ニョロニョロ describes a slithering or wriggling movement like a snake.